In this video, I will show how to calculate percent changes in Microsoft Excel. So you need to use this formula equal opening bracket. Now select your new value minus then old value. Now closing bracket slash then new old value. So D27, D27, both one is the old value. Press enter. So you will get this result. Drag and drop. Now you need to enter some numbers. Now you will get the perfect percentage width. So select it, then click this percentage style. Percent style. You will get like this. You need two decimal more. Select them. Right click. Format cells. And here increase the 2 or 3 or 4 decimal. Like 2 decimal. Then click on OK. So this is the way, guys, you can make the percent different in Microsoft Excel. If you make changes, so it will appear here. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment this video useful for you.